What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna go to my neighbor's house, aka my friend, and he decided he wants to do something a little crazy today. He wants to drive on a slammed wheel. So I'm gonna ride along, supervise. I'm gonna let him do what he wants to do. I've strongly advised against this, but I figured to make a good video. So surprisingly, this car is driving quite smooth for having pretty much a flat tire. I'm just gonna call it a flat tire. I don't feel like I'm leaning either, so.
That's because I'm on the left side.
Whoa. Starting to wobble a little bit. I can feel it.
Free?
Now, I don't like to pay for air. Most people I know don't like to pay for it either. So there's this one gas station called Casey's, and they just offer free air. There it is. Just hit the building. You have insurance. As you can see, it's a lot lower than it was when he pulled out the driveway. Let's see if it goes up. My God, it's going up. You
That's
lucked
right.
out, my friend.
Luck has nothing to do.
So the goal here was to see if air would go in. It does. Now he wants to go to Walmart to get it patched. That guy over there, when you yelled animals, just looked over here and stared for like 3 seconds.
At least savages don't know how to roll a hose up.
Best Mexican restaurant in town.
Maria's.
Maria. And no one goes there, obviously.
Made it. That was close.
What's that guy doing?
He is trying to kill himself.
Yeah, I noticed that's real popular around here is lowered trucks. I honestly prefer the look of a lifted truck. It just looks better.
Here he comes.
Oh God. You're on camera. Hey, it's a white guy.
Did not expect that.
I'm not profiling anything, but
Yeah, you are.
most people that I see in lower trucks happen to be Hispanic, alright? Smart car.
I don't see what's so smart about it. You wreck and you
It's
die.
smart because it's economical, both by price and gas mileage.
Throw your fingers at me. Jesus.
Welcome, enter. You have to pull in there. Oh my God, it's gonna be like 2 hours. Skirt.
2 hours later.
Finally leaving Walmart here. That took about an hour and a half. And surprisingly cheap. It was a little under $11 for them to repatch that tire, so good deal. How do you feel about that little experience?
It was good, except that the wait time was kind of ridiculous.
Worth the price?
Yeah. I'm all about that cheap life.
We gotta go to the bank. Oh shit!
Too late. I wish I was funny.
I wish you were funny too. Jesus, lady. There's an old Lexus. I don't know the model. I just remember when they came out.
That's a weird little design.
Yeah, it kind of flopped right there.
Yeah, it looks like a killer whale. Like looks like the flipper of the tail. Killer whale.
Just dropping the insurance off. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, comment. If you think he is an idiot for driving as low as it was, let him know. Put it in the comments.
Don't care.
And don't forget to subscribe And as always, have a good day, and we'll see you in the next one.